If you clicked on this video in hopes of hearing some March Madness basketball talk, you're going to be sorely disappointed. However, if you want some real entertainment about picking and salvaging, well, you're in the right place. It's been a pretty good month in the junk collecting business, and I use the word junk very complimentary. But I thought it'd be interesting to show you my latest haul and a preview of some upcoming videos using my latest finds and picks. First up, I got this broken down farmhouse side table over there with a porcelain enamel top. It's gonna look great when it's finished. I picked it up for $5. Let me take it outside and show you. This is a real treasure. If you can see beyond the lead paint, the broken leg, a missing drawer, and the dirty top. I picked it up at an estate sale, as I said, for $5. The restoration of this is going to be featured in this Sunday's upcoming video. The transformation will be amazing, so be sure to check it out. Now check out this old copper light. It probably came off of somebody's house or garage. This copper light has some great patina. Some people like this look. I personally like a clean, polished appearance. Years ago, I found a similar light in my uncle's garage and I restored it. Here's what that looks like now. This can be mounted on a wall or just rewired to sit on a desk. I'm thinking about turning this one into a desk lamp. This weather vane is my favorite piece out of all my March Madness picks. It's in perfect physical condition. It just needs to be repainted. And I'm going to repaint this eagle using natural eagle colors. I can't wait to begin. It's going to look amazing. I'll bet you don't know what this is. It's a turnstile for grocery bags from Walmart. Seriously, I'm considering putting a piece of wood on top and using it as a turntable to spray stuff. Well, that's the plan, unless I come up with something better. Here's a glass top. It looks like it was from an outside table where an umbrella went through the middle. Here's a spoke shave tool. This is a vintage meat grinder that clamped to the edge of a table. I've used these before. A couple of router bits. This is an interesting piece. It's an old shoe shine box. Lots of potential there. Here's a fire hose nozzle. Very cool. Some grinder blades. A miniature honey, butter, and cheese shop. This is a nice set of wood turning tools. Scrap aluminum, which I was going to use to practice welding on. Chair sliders. Here's a nice brass coat hook. A couple of clamps. Items don't have to be big to be interesting and fun. Here's a simple wooden top stamped with the business name from a nearby town. Here's a half gallon of my favorite dark walnut wood stain. And almost a full gallon of polyurethane, which should last me about a week. Lastly, these are a pair of nice cabinet doors with beveled glass. The glass pieces alone are probably $10 each. I might replace them with some stained glass. We'll see. If you have any cool ideas for any of the items you've seen today, let me know in the comments and I just might make it happen. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I appreciate it. I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it. Also, if you want to be notified whenever I finish some of these projects, click on the notification bell. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley. Or maybe an estate sale. Or it might be a garage sale. Could be a yard sale. Maybe even a rummage sale. Or